God. See, this is why you don't wear the clothes that you're going out in before you do your makeup.
It's better to love than to give into hate.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is LaVonne Tynesha, and in this video I'm going to do something different, a little get ready with me. I'm just going to talk about things in February and Valentine's Day. I know a lot of people think they need to be all high glam for Valentine's Day, but in my dating experience, a lot of guys don't approach me when I have a lot of makeup on, so they really prefer me with less makeup, and sometimes less is more. But at the end of the day, it's about whatever you feel comfortable with. I don't wear makeup every day, but especially for a date night, I want to put on something, you know what I mean? So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps that I like to do for a nice makeup look, but it doesn't have to be, you know, a high glam look. So if you want to see how I do this look, this is the look that I created, please stay tuned. So I just did my eyebrows, and now I'm doing my eyeshadow primer. This is the Urban Decay Primer Potion in caffeine. You just want to blend it in. Cover your whole eyelid. With my blending brush, I'm going to start with my transition color. This is the Rubbish from the Melt Stack. This is one of my favorite transition colors. If I'm preparing for a date, if it's a new person or maybe someone I've dated before, I put a little makeup on so I'm comfortable, but I don't try to do, you know, the most, like high glam. I save that for other events. But if you're just doing like dinner, a movie, something, I'm not gonna say basic, but something more than what you usually wear should be good. This is Rot. This is another transition color I like to use by Melt Cosmetics. And I'm gonna put this below my transition color, right above my crease. And for my lid color, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk. And I'm gonna sweep this all across my lid. I'm gonna use Cashmere. It's this color right here. And with my blending brush, I'm just gonna apply this all over my lid. So depending on what brushes you use, you know, it'll apply more color. If you wanna keep it soft, I will always go for a blending brush. So Valentine's Day is coming up. This is the look that you could try. It doesn't take long to do. That's why I'm doing it today, because I'm on my way to birthday party and a baby shower today. This is Ode, or Ode, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's from that palette as well. I'm going back in with my Cashmere. And that's basically it for the eyes. I'm keeping it nice and subtle. I'm gonna wipe up with my makeup wipe. Next, going in with my moisturizer. This is the Jason Revitalizer Moisture Cream. I don't know if you can see this, but it's almost empty. I need to buy a new one. Next, going in with my foundation. This is the 355 Coconut by Maybelline. This is the Fit Me foundation. Using my buffing brush. So February is a little bit lit for me this month. Usually I'm in hibernation mode into the springtime, but February has a lot going on. So last weekend was the Super Bowl and my Eagles won. So that was a great kickoff for the month. It was also my mom's birthday. And next week is what, Valentine's Day, although I really don't celebrate that. And then also my dog's birthday. He was born on Valentine's Day, so he's my little love pup. I went to go see 50 Shades Freed last night. That was really good. So if you've seen the first two, I would definitely go see the second two. Or if you've seen the first two, I would definitely see the third one. It was good. I'm not going to say anything about it because I don't want to spoil it. And then next week is Black Panther. And then Marvel Live is at Wells Fargo, and then Fantasia is going to be in Reading, PA. So I'm going to go see her. So I have a lot going on this month. So hopefully I can stay consistent with these videos. Now that my foundation is blended in, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. This one's in dark for my concealer. And you really don't have to highlight everywhere, but I do have dark circles, so I want to cover those up. With my makeup sponge, I'm going to blend that out. Speaking of videos, I've been trying to get my lighting right in this video. So for my setup and everything, learning my camera. So if you guys have any suggestions or if the lighting's not right, let me know. It's trial and error. I'm doing this by myself. So this is Mineral SkinFinish by MAC. This is my setting powder. Next I'm going in with NW58. This is the Studio Fix powder by MAC. Just gonna put this in my little all of my cheeks. I don't want a strong contour because that would be too much, but you don't want to look flat either. So it's important to do easy, but also make it look, you know, wearable. My choice of blush today is Sweetest Cocoa by MAC. Blending this into my contour. Going in with Hustla Baby by Fenty Beauty for my highlight. There we go. I don't know if you can see that. Just want a little bit of highlight. This is the Big Shots mascara. I'm doing lashes today, but you don't have to. If you're going from usually wearing no makeup to wearing something for a special occasion, you don't have to. Moving on to my lips, I'm using Currant for my lip liner. So this right here is the Stunna lip paint by Fenty Beauty. This launched back in November and it was on my list to get and I never got it, so I picked it up a couple weeks ago. I did a video about my favorite red lipsticks last month, and this was not included in there, but I like it. I've worn it before making this video, so I should add this to the list. It's literally like paint. I thought it was cute to match my shirt today. Mwah. So I'm doing a wing now. This is the 77 by Inglot black eyeliner. I'm gonna try doing this on screen. Pop a little Fenty, a little Hustla Baby in here. Well, love, this is the look. I hope you liked it and you guys have a great Valentine's Day or a great date night, whatever you do. Love yourself, know your worth, do whatever makes you feel comfortable. Personally, on my dates, I usually tone it down a bit, okay? So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I will see you in my next video. Bye. This is Nico. This is my love pup. He is going to be 15 years old on Valentine's Day. This is mommy's baby.